Hi boys and girls, Miss Donna here. I want to talk to you guys today about how we can compare the value of numbers. I know we've been working on counting our calendar every day and also counting numbers 1 through 10, then 11 through 19, 20 through 29, etc., all the way up to 50. We've been working on counting our numbers. And today I want to talk to you a little bit about understanding how certain numbers are bigger than other numbers or larger because they are more than the other number. So let's look down at my table right here, and I have some dots to represent some numbers. So right here I have some large dots, and let's count these numbers, or these dots, excuse me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we have 6 dots. Well, over here, let's count these 2 dots. I have 1, 2. So right here, I have 2 dots. I think you can see that the 6 dots is more than the 2 dots. We have a mathematical sign that means more than or greater than, and it's this sign. And the way you can always know this is you read it like this. 6 is more than 2, or 6 is greater than 2. And the open end is like the mouth of a bird. The open end is always pointing to the bigger number. Well, let's look at it a different way if it goes the other way. So I'll move my dots up here. And we're going to talk a little bit about these dots. So here I have 1, 2 dots. And I'll put my 2 right there. And then here I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 dots right here. So if we were going to write this as an equation, we can see that 4 dots is more than 2 dots. There's more over here. It's a bigger number than the 2. And we would read this equation, 2 is less than 4. It's just not as many. It's not as big of a number. And again, the open mouth of our sign always eats the larger number. Okay, so that's more than and less than right here. Now we want to talk about another thing, and that would be addition. So let's just say I roll the dice right here and I get a 5. And we can count these dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, if I take my dice again and I roll it, and I get a 6. Let's count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, over here, I can write the 6. Well, did you know that in math, there's a way that we can put this number with this number to make a whole new number? That's called addition. And here's the math sign for how we put numbers together. It looks like a cross sign, and we may think of Jesus, but it's actually how we put numbers together. So we read this 5 plus 6, and that equals 11. That's a very big number, okay? 5 plus 6 equals 11, because the 5 dots plus the 6 dots equal 11 dots. There you go. All right, and the last thing we'll focus on is equal to. Now you noticed I had an equal sign there. And we use equals in a lot of our math problems when we're doing addition. But we can also use it when it means the same. So if I had the number, well, I won't roll the dice, but if I had 6 over here and I had 6 over here, we could say that 6 equals 6. And I could use that with any number. I could say 2 equals 2. So these are just some math signs right now that we're working on. Our greater than, our less than, or more than, less than, our addition sign, and our equal sign. All right, until next time, I'll see you guys then. Love you. Bye-bye.